Dear friends, welcome to Dental Education Hub YouTube channel. In this video, I'll explain the ground section of root of tooth. So please watch this video till the end. So this is a low magnification image of the ground section of root. This outer layer is the cementum. So this complete outer layer is the cementum. This part is the dentin. Complete layer is the cementum, and this part is the dentin or the root dentin. So this is the root dentin. This part, complete part, is the dentin, and this part is the cementum. And this central part, this hollow central part, is the root canal, also known as the pulp canal. So this central part is the root canal, also known as the pulp canal. Now let's see this part of this, the same histological slide on a higher magnification. Now this is a higher magnification image of the same slide. These are, you can see there are some lines present within the cementum matrix, and these lines are known as the incremental lines. And these incremental lines, these are unevenly placed, means they are not constant. So these unevenly placed incremental lines are known as the incremental lines of Salter. Now there are two different tissues. One is the cementum and another tissue is the dentin. So both of these tissues, they form a junction, and we call this junction as the cementodentinal junction. This is the cementodentinal junction, and this junction, it provides the firm interlocking between the two different tissues. So it provides a firm interlocking between the two different tissues, that is cementum and the dentin. Now in the next slide we will see this cementum on a more higher magnification. So this is a higher magnification image of the cementum. These are known as the cementocytic lacunae. So these are the cementocyte lacunae. So in the living tooth, this space is occupied by cells, and those cells, they are known as the cementocytes. But now in the ground section, as no living cells are present, so these are the empty spaces, and we call these empty spaces as the cementocyte lacunae. And these are similar to the bone, in which we call these cells, these spaces, as osteocytic lacunae. And these are the processes that are radiating from the cementocyte lacunae, and these are known as the canaliculi. So these processes are known as the canaliculi that are radiating from the lacunae. Now we will see the higher magnification image of the dentin. So this is the higher magnification image of the dentin, and here you can see this is the cementum. This is cementum dentin junction, and near the cementum dentin junction you can see these are the dentinal tubules. And the dentinal tubules, they have various branching processes. You can see there are branching processes. Here you can see, so these are the branching processes that are radiating from the dentinal tubules. And these branching of the dentinal tubules, it is more near the cementum as compared to the rest of the dentin. These branching is more profuse as compared to the rest of the dentin. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and do share and give us your feedback in the comments. Thank you very much for watching and stay blessed.